my God. Thank you, God, for protecting me. What the hell was that about?
They didn't have, oh, damn. No.
Ah! God! Fucking damn it! Thank you.
Oh, that's a keeper.
900, 1300.
Mercy Me. Toby Mac. Everywhere. Together for one night. Presented by the Awakening Foundation, a non-profit supporter of Kayla. Friday, November 15th in Albany at MVP Arena. Tickets are available April 4th at awakeningfoundation.com.
Inside the music.
In half a mile, use the second from the right lane to take exit 243 for Georgia 166.
What would you like? What would you like?
Да, серьезно, блядь, пиздец, блядь, сука. Что за...
is on fire, limousines on
I got it on film. 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 Want me to stay? Okay, okay. Good job, buddy. You might as well just hit cars, man. Like, seriously. Oh.
I only had it here painted 1 week ago. It's all one side.
A whole week?
A week ago.
Wow.
You didn't see I come in here, buddy?
But I got it all on film, man. Like, dude, man, you could have just took your time. Like, a couple of seconds wouldn't hurt.
Me come in and I saw a car there.
No, I know, I saw him. I was coming up. Dude, man, seriously, man, like, you gotta be careful when you're driving, man.
You don't fucking license to drive?
And only 1 week ago, you know, I had this one side. I live wrong the street from here. A taxi guy hit me right on this one side. $3,000.
Fucking ridiculous, eh?
You have a license to drive? So, you didn't see the fuck we had when I was scared of fuck in the car now?
Did he hit the other guy too?
You didn't see the
yeah.
Actually, hits me by the side. That was the only reason I hit you. I didn't hit you.
No, man, you bolted out because I seen you. I was watching you. And now you just hit these fucking people, dude. Like, you bolted out fast, man, and you shouldn't have did that. You good?
Yeah.
You good? Okay. I got it on film. I hope I'm recording. You good? You good? You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, okay. You good, man? You good? Okay.